Have you ever heard of a drone that looks like a cruise missile, flies at 700 kilometers per hour, and is designed to hit deep behind enemy lines? Well, Ukraine just made its latest move in the drone warfare game. Meet Peklo, which literally means hell in Ukrainian. And guess what? It just made its combat debut, and the evidence is confirmed. Let me explain. In December 2024, Ukraine unveiled a new drone system developed by its state-owned defense firm Ukroboronprom. This drone was unlike anything Ukraine had used before. It wasn't slow, it wasn't loud, and it wasn't easy to intercept. Named Peklo, this loitering munition was jet-powered, with speed and range that made it more like a cruise missile than a regular drone. Its purpose? One-way precision strikes deep into enemy territory. In recent days, satellite images and ground footage confirmed that one of these drones was used in a real combat strike, making it the first verified combat use of Peklo. So where was it used? Near the Adar River, in the eastern war zone of Ukraine. Peklo reportedly struck a Russian pontoon bridge and pumping station. The wreckage left behind, including the remains of a jet engine and tail fins, matches photos and blueprints released months ago. Experts identified it based on its twin air intakes and turbojet design. This wasn't just speculation. The scale of destruction also suggested a warhead of 30 to 50 kilograms, which fits the drone's estimated payload. Now you might be wondering, how is Peklo different from other drones? Let's break it down. Speed. Peklo flies at around 700 kilometers per hour. That's much faster than propeller drones like the Shahed 136 or Bayraktar TB2. Range. It can reportedly reach targets 700 kilometers away, making it perfect for long-distance, high-value strikes. Design. It's shaped like a small cruise missile, with low radar visibility and a rear-mounted turbojet engine. Purpose. Unlike surveillance drones or multi-use UAVs, Peklo is a kamikaze-style drone, designed for a single powerful impact. This drone is meant to hit key infrastructure, fuel depots, bridges, radar stations, or supply routes, and then destroy itself in the process. This strike is significant for multiple reasons. First, it confirms the operational status of Peklo. Until now, it was just a prototype or a media leak. Second, it shows how Ukraine is evolving its drone capabilities at lightning speed. When the war began, Ukraine relied mostly on donated drones or commercial systems. Now it's producing homegrown advanced systems that rival cruise missiles. Third, this puts new pressure on Russian air defenses. Most of their radar systems are optimized for slower, larger drones. Peklo's speed makes it much harder to detect and intercept. Let's also not forget, Peklo is just one piece of a larger drone puzzle. Ukraine has built a diverse drone force: Dragon swarm drones for large-scale area attacks, Punisher, UCAVs for tactical hits, R-18 octocopters for short-range demolitions, and now jet drones like Peklo and UJ-25 Skyline for long-range strategic strikes. Each system serves a unique battlefield purpose. Peklo, however, fills the long-range, high-impact strike gap, and it's doing so successfully. So what should we expect next? Ukraine will likely ramp up production. Reports suggest dozens have already been delivered. Russia may upgrade its radar systems to detect faster and smaller threats. And globally, this event will reshape how militaries view drone warfare. Peklo is a clear message. Even a country under invasion can innovate, produce, and deploy cutting-edge systems. Drone warfare isn't the future anymore. It's the new present. That's how hell came to the battlefield and made its mark. Let me know in the comments what you think about this drone evolution, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more defense tech explainers.